What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today, y'all, I'm doing something for the first time. So if you want to see what it is, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, my brother-in-law and sister is in town, so they actually have a friend. They live in Washington. His name is Don, so I'm printing a special t-shirt for him and sending him a special care packet because he's one of my big fans, or one of my biggest fans. So, you know, not that I'm nobody or nothing, but, you know, that was what he was telling me. So I just was going to send him a little care package. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing today. All right. So as you see the design on the screen right here, that's what I'm actually going to be putting onto a t-shirt. And as y'all know, like, I don't usually print the t-shirts with my picture on them, with my big forehead on them, because I didn't think nobody would want that. So, you know, I'm just printing what he requested. So since I'm going to be printing that image in a full color, I'm going to be using this Gildan polyester t-shirt. And I'm going to be doing my first sublimation print onto a t-shirt. And I know, like, really with the t-shirt printing, I'm not getting into sublimation to print t-shirts really, but because of this special request, and you know, it's my first time using the sublimation printer, I'm gonna go ahead and do a t-shirt with the sublimation and see how everything turns out. So right now I have everything set up over here on the computer, and y'all look, I'm watching the game over here on this side. It's at halftime right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and send it to the printer, and then go ahead and go pick the sheet up once it prints out. Y'all, I just had to go through a process. I still haven't even printed the shirt yet. I just had to go through the process. Now I'm about to try to print it because it at first would not give me the correct size paper I needed. And Scoob ain't no help, y'all. I mean, I'm like, Scoob, what I do? Scoob, what I do? What I do? What I do, Scoob? And I mean, she's just like, she don't even care. I don't care, Sin. You ought to be able to figure it out on your own, Sin. And I'm like, all right. I'm gonna do this.
Summer starts here.
Thank you for your help, Scoob. It is the right size now. Yeah, it's got the whole picture in there. So without Scoob's help, I did figure it out. Let me pause this. I'm sorry. I got all this TV stuff on here, but without Scoob's help, I figured it out. I don't see how y'all be getting help from her. Y'all claim that she helped y'all, but I just don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe she helped y'all. All right, now I'm gonna run back here because it's printing supposed to be. Let's run and see if it's printing back here. All right. It's blinking. All right, it's blinking. It's blinkety, blinkety, blink. It's pulling that paper through. I think it's going to print. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out. Is it printing? Okay, as y'all see, it might not be the perfect print. What y'all think? It looks kind of dull, and my hair got stripes in it or something, but yeah. I don't know. That's why I don't really like Epson, y'all. It looks real dull, but Scoob said when you print it, it get better. That's the only tip that she gave me. She was like, if you ever print it, it'll get better. So yeah, even though that's not the perfect print, I'm going to print it because this is a free shirt. Just for somebody that wanted a shirt. So y'all, this is the first time I'm also using this signature series. You know, it's got the pull out drawer right here, as y'all can see. So yeah, you're getting a lot of firsts. You're getting first time. Some things ain't the first time, but a lot of things is the first time that's about to go down in this video. It's going down. It's going down without Scoob help. I had told her, I was like, a long time ago, I was like, Scoob, you can do sublimation printing with an Epson printer if you get the 7710. And I was like telling her all the stuff to get, y'all. So I really put her onto this right here. Okay, so we're going to pull this out right here. I'm just playing. I'm going to put this shirt right here. And y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. So I think I gotta put a sheet of paper in between the shirt and also behind the shirt. So y'all gonna see me get my butcher paper over here. I'm gonna turn the camera around this way so y'all can check it out. And I'm gonna zoom in over there. Cause as you know, over here behind this little secret panel, behind this secret little wall right here, y'all see that? That's a secret location. I'm gonna get this paper right here so I can kind of see about what size I need to make it. All right, so about this size right here. Okay, really paper. And we're gonna like, all right, that's the first one. We're gonna do another one. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a little mark over here so I know about how far to pull the paper. Put a little mark over here. Yeah, right here. So I got my papers right here, and I'm headed back over here to the heat press. All right, back at the heat press, we're gonna take this paper right here and we're gonna stick it right inside of here. Right inside of here. And the other thing, I don't even know what temperature I'm supposed to be printing at or nothing, y'all. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have to check that right quick. But first, I'm gonna set this up. First, set this up. All right. School. I hope I'm doing the right thing. All right, got that right there. And let me check the temperature setting right quick, and I'm gonna be right back. Look, y'all know I'm new to this sub stuff, but I'm not new to transfers. But look, I forgot to print this out the right way. You got to print it in reverse, so I'm having to reprint it over here. Let me see. Yeah, reprinting it. Okay, it did come out better that time. It don't look like it's got those. Well, it do kind of still got some lines in it, but yeah, we're gonna see how it work out. This is my first time, so I'm not expecting it to be perfect like me, like I am in real life. No, I'm just playing. I got this perfectly big forehead though. That's about the only thing that's perfect. But it's me. All right, y'all. I got the thing right here. So what I'm gonna do? It's got the lines back here behind it. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to find center spot or what. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing really. But I'm gonna try to find center spot on it. Try to center it up. Put a little line up here. A little line down here. Okay. And then I need to cut this off right here because it's a little bit too long. So I'm gonna cut that off right quick and check back in and get my T-squared. Alright, y'all can see a little better on that. With this pull-out press right here. These pull-out press. Slide this forward slightly. Let me see what it's looking like. Alright. So we gonna hope this comes out right, y'all. But if it don't, it ain't my fault. Cause I'm listening to everything Scoop say do. Okay, that's 2.5. So anything that goes wrong, I'm pretty sure it's her fault. Okay, so it's right here. We got that right there. So we got this, got my paper right here. We're gonna pop that down on top of there. Then we're gonna bring this down. Oh, I be forgetting you gotta push that back. Tell you what, this paper got a little tape stuff on it right there, so I'm gonna flip it over that way to make sure that All right, so we got it going now, and while I'm waiting on it to pop up, because you know this is the auto open series, signature series 16 by 20 auto open with the drawer. So you can purchase that on Heat Press Nation. I'll leave the link down for you below. And yeah, so this is my first shirt right here. We're gonna see how it turns out. All right, it's about to open up. Let's see. All right, let's see what the business is. All right, we about to see. Voila. Oh, y'all see that? That joint is clean. It is so clean, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Voila. That is nice. That's nice. I like it. My first sublimated shirt, y'all. That is so awesome. And it just looks so much like me. Look at me. Look at me. Y'all see that? Look at me. See my big forehead? Alright, y'all. So I thought y'all could see it better if I brought it over here in the better lighting. So here it is right here. Hopefully y'all can see it. Yeah, but this is just the shirt that I did for somebody. Y'all can check it out. Let me see. Yeah. I did this shirt for Dawn, so shout out to Dawn. I appreciate you subscribing and watching my videos and stuff. But that's about all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to both my green and my red channel, aka the red channel is the T-Shirt Chick Live channel. So yeah, subscribe to the green channel, T-Shirt Chick TV, and the red channel, T-Shirt Chick Live. Follow me on Instagram, join that Print Squad group. Look down below this video for links if you're interested in any of the items, products, equipment that I use to print t-shirts. And I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.